Happy Friday. In this video, there's going to be a lot of math. And if you can solve this faster than I can, please put those answers in the comment section down below. And let's begin solving this math problem now. According to PEMDAS, 2 times 5 goes first, which is 10. Good job. And let's bring the rest down. So 5 plus 10 divided by 6 plus 5 divided by 6. Looking back at PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 10 divided by 6? I don't know. So I'll write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 10 over 6. Now let's bring the rest of the numbers down, but in fraction forms. So 5 in the fraction form, it will be 5 over 1 equals 5. Does not change to 5. Plus 10 over 6 plus 5 over 1 equals 5, does not change to 5. And then lastly, divided by 6 over 1 equals 6, does not change to 6. Now I am erasing this for space. Looking back at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with division first. So we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule. So I'll keep 5 over 1. So I'll write it here, 5 over 1. Change division to multiplication. And lastly, we're to flip this fraction. So the 1 goes on top of the fraction and the 6 goes below the fraction. So it'll be written 1 over 6. And then we multiply across. So 5 times 1 is 5. And 1 times 6 is 6. So I erase this now and write 5 over 6 here. And erase all this we don't need. And now we're looking at this. Now, according to PEMDAS, you're solving the math problem from left to right according to its levels. Now, we start with 5 over 1 plus 10 over 6. I am using a different color. So notice that we're adding 2 fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing, 5 times 6. And here's the antenna. So it's 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. Here's the other wing and the other antenna. 1 times 10 is 10. And then lastly, the body. 1 times 6 is 6. And I'm going to take this plus 5 over 6 to the side because we need the space. So plus 5 over 6. That's plus. And right, equals here. Okay. So 30 plus 10 is 40 over 1 times 6 is 6. So we have our numerator and denominator. There we go. And we need to break this down further. 40 over 6. So I'm going to erase this now and write 40 over here for space. 40 over 6. And so we can break this down further. So they're both even, so let's just half them. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Over 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And now let's bring down the 5 over 6 down. So it's 20 over 3 plus 5 over 6 equals. Notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method again and just switch colors. So darker purple. So here's the first wing and first antenna. So 20 times 6. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So 120. And here's the other wing and antenna. 3 times 5 is 15. And then lastly, the body. 3 times 6 is 18. So our new denominator is 18. And then we add 120. So 120 plus 15 is 135. So we write 135. And this got to be broken down further. So let's do that. And don't leave yet, because not only we have to break that improper fraction further, we need to figure out the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So I'll write 135 over 18 here. And we can, let's see, how can we're not gonna half them because the top and bottom numbers are even and odd. So they're both not even, so we can't just half them. But I know that if we divide them by, so 135 divided by 3 and 18 divided by 3, so 18 divided by 3, what will give me 18? So something times 3 equals 18. 6, right? 6 times 3 is 18. So I'll write 6, right? And then something that will give me 135. Oh, wow. Let me see. 45 times 3. So 15. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Yep, that's right. 135. So 45 times 3 is 135. And this still can be simplified further. So let's just half them by, well, we can't half them because the top and bottom numbers are not both even. One is odd and one is even. So let's do it by 3s because we just started with 3s. So what is something that, well, what's something that times 3 gives us 6? 2, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6. And then something times 3 gives us 45. Well, 15 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, right? So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so that's 45. So 15 it is. 15 times 3 is 45. And that's it. You can't simplify this further. This is your improper fraction answer, 15 over 2. Now, let's erase this and use the long division so we can find out what is the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So we'll write it here in these two spots. And here's the long division symbol. 15 goes inside the long division symbol, that is called the dividend. And then 2 goes outside the long division symbol, that is called the divisor. So how many times can 2 fit into 15? How many? Well, 7 times 2 is 14, so 7 it is. 7 times 2, so we multiply, is 14, and we subtract. 15 minus 14 is 1, so now we can write our mixed number answer. So 7 is the whole number, the remainder goes above the fraction bar, and the 2 goes below the fraction bar. So this is our mixed number answer, 7, 1 over 2, and our decimal answer is 7.5, right? Because 1/2, or 1 over 2 is 0.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, put a like in the video. So subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube and to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. And here are some happy faces. Happy face here, happy face here, happy face here, and happy face here. Bye. Happy Friday.